In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Valorant on laptop updated 2026 guide. First, open your laptop and make sure you are connected to the internet. Then launch Google Chrome or any web browser you prefer. Go to the search bar and type Valorant, then press enter to search. From the results, look for the official Valorant website. It is important to choose the official Riot Games page so you download the correct installer safely. Once the website opens, find the Play for Free button and click on it. The site may ask you to sign in to your Riot Games account. Enter your account details and continue. If you do not already have a Riot account, create one first, then return to the sign-in page and log in. After signing in, the site will begin the process for downloading the Valorant installer. Save the installer file if your browser asks where to place it. When the download finishes, open the installer file to begin setup. Your laptop may show a security or permission message asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click Yes so the installation can continue. The Riot client setup will now start. Follow the on-screen instructions and wait while the client installs on your laptop. This may take a few minutes depending on your system speed and internet connection. Once the Riot client is installed, open it if it does not start automatically. Next, sign in again inside the Riot client using your Riot Games account. This step connects your account to the launcher and gives you access to the game library. After you log in, look for Valorant inside the client. Click on Valorant to open its game page. You should now see the option to download or install the game. Click the download button and wait for Valorant to install completely. Keep the Riot client open during this process. Since Valorant is a large game, the download may take some time depending on your internet speed. When the installation is finished, the play button will appear in the Riot client. At that point, Valorant is fully installed on your laptop and ready to launch. You can click play, let the game finish any final updates, and then start playing. If you want the smoothest setup, make sure your laptop has enough storage space and meets the game requirements before you begin. This can help avoid installation errors or slow performance later. That covers everything you need to know.